Welcome
to Great Success Academy. This is a yoga workshop. We are going to see about what is yoga, benefits of yoga through mind, health and power, the types of yoga and who can do yoga and when. What is yoga? It is the discipline between the body and mind. It is an art and science of healthy living. Yoga means unite or join. Yoga denotes the strength of unity. Stages of yoga. Stage 1 is warm up and relaxing yourself for a good yoga practice. Stage 2 flexibility. It plays an important role while doing an exercise. Stage 3 concentration. It improves the use of the exercise. Stage 4 healthy and knowledge. It can develop an individual's health. Stage 5 spiritual connection and kindness can also be increased through the yoga. Yoga plays an important role in day-to-day life. Benefits of yoga. Each and every part of a body gets energy and superpower. Yoga is an art and science of healthy living. It improves our strength and balance. The flexibility makes the person to do it efficiently. It provides more energy and keeps us bright throughout the day. It reduces the fat and keeps our heart healthy. The digestive system plays an important role and keeps our body fit. Benefits of mind. The daily happiness and fresh is the key to be healthy. The good concentration level makes the person to be better. The power can be increased through super brain yoga. Super brain yoga can make a person a knowledgeable and increase their concentration level. There are four main types of yoga. They are Bhakti Yoga, the path of love; Jnana Yoga, path of knowledge; Karma Yoga, the path of work; Raja Yoga, the path of meditation. Bhakti Yoga is the chanting of mantras and following the God. Jnana Yoga is the knowledge. It means a person reading or listening is the gaining of knowledge. The second stage is the revisiting of reading and listening. Then comes the experimentation, nididhyasana. This means the examination of the learning. Karma Yoga, to do the good things in a good way. This denotes a person to be a good in their life. It improves one's individuality. Raja Yoga is the focus of mind and body through the meditation. Raja Yoga is the king of all other yogas. This improves the top three yogas called Bhakti Yoga, Jnana Yoga and Karma Yoga. Raja Yoga. This is the yoga of meditation, controlling the body and mind through the focus of our energy. Yoga is also an exercise to keep the body fit and enthusiastic throughout the day. It is a natural state of calm. This provides peace to the mind and body. It is a communion within. There are 8 cycles of yoga: yamas, niyamas, asanas, pranayama, pratyahara, dharana, dhyana and samadhi. There are more asanas to do in this class. Asanas like the Dhanurasana, is very effective in weight loss. This improves the function of kidney, pancreas, liver, and small intestine. It also acts as a stress reliever and gives flexibility to the body. It also improves our digestion and make the person fit. There are more other yogas to improve our health in many ways.